want you now to clearly take me through your version of events.
Detective Sergeant Lamin, ngifuna usebenza indaba la. Yomuntu ona something yami ngakuwena. If uyayithola le phone, destroy it. Your phone. Angas.
Do you have it?
You first.
You don't know what was on the phone?
What for? I don't want to be involved in your bribes or corruption or
I
whatever.
wasn't asking.